So, to make one of these little bowls like this, you're going to need a magazine. Use one of these with a kind of thin paper. You're going to need a whole magazine page for this. A lot of times the cover's thicker paper, so watch out for this. You want to look at your paper and you want to figure out which side has the more colors that you like. You don't want to pick like a side that's just got white on it or, you know, like it isn't very cool. I'm going to pick this side, it's more colorful, so I'm going to put that side down. Then I'm going to put some glue on it. It's very important where you put the glue. So I'm going to put some glue right along this edge and put some glue right along this edge. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue kind of right here. If you look, it kind of looks like an arrow pointing away from me. So then I'm going to get my stick and I'm going to put it down here at this corner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this paper up along this stick from this corner to that corner. I'm going to try to keep it on here as tight as I can. Notice that where I put the glue, it's not going to hit the stick, it's just going to hit paper. Also notice that I left a lot of the stick sticking out. You don't want to have like the stick right in the middle, because we're going to be pulling the stick out. I don't want the stick to get stuck in there.
So remember, you're going to put the glue, arrow, roll this up, nice and tight on the stick. Yes, remember children. Yeah, that's all it takes. Okay, so now we have
2 tubes. What we're going to do next, you're going to mash the tube flat. Don't mash it like that. I've seen a lot of kids do that and it just tears it up because it's still like all gluey and kind of wet. It's just going to tear the paper up. Kind of just... All right, now next, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be rolling it up like this. So like kind of like rolling it up like that. And if you look right here at the middle, you can kind of see what we're doing. We're making the very middle of the bowl. So we're rolling it up like that. So it's getting slowly rolled up. You might can't even see it. If you noticed, I didn't put any more glue on it, so it's not going to stick together. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just kind of training the paper to be rolled up. So this one still wants to be flat, but this one's like kind of like we've trained it, so it kind of wants to roll up. So when I put glue on it and actually roll it up, it's going to want to stay rolled up. It's not going to want to pull apart. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue like this. So now we've got it all rolled up, kind of staying like that. And I've left a little bit hanging off. The reason I left a little bit hanging off, I'm not going to roll this one up completely. I'm just going to kind of bend it though a little bit. What we're going to do, put more glue on this next one.
Use a lot of glue, children.
Use just right amount of glue. Be Goldilocks. Got this next one wrapped around. You can see it's starting to get bigger. Just so I would remember, I wrote down how many of those things I needed. I needed 36 to make a bowl this size. So I had to do 36 tubes, flatten them out, and then roll them all together. Probably you're kind of wondering like, wait, that doesn't look like a bowl. Well, after you get it to be like as wide as you want, you can start kind of pushing on it and kind of turning it into a bowl. The biggest one I've seen went like that big. I would say that girl probably had like over 100. That's how you do it. Just have to do that over and over again.
Do you line?
3, 2, 1, make a bowl.